Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nagbenta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but 6% ka jinyokam. Pilaru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri ka Sarkar Jilla ba polling do ulero ejing trairat ba jong ke SOS Children's Village Shillong kaulapen keladur ejing jong bon kena kiblari ba sumar hakan ke yeng ri Khunswet ka badani isna trekam hakeleng kari India. Habakaran kumukongsa na ejing rakhe jong ke SOS Children's Village Shillong yakeling ko arpasans nam uba pol ulong ba ke SOS Children's Villages Hakari India kelaseng yaka nongrim ke bas camp ban omtang ban suma lagi kena dari ban sanduru yaka jing bakin long kipaya baklan jongkari barki lang kasalang. Haga jing rakhi yaka nikaling khos nam la sakilang da CEO jong ke SOS Children's Villages India usamanta kar baki wei prasakhat ngobha. Kuman chupin tip hang ni baya ke SOS Children's Village Shillong kelaseng house nam arajar mentak lari hado shispa sanbusan no ikena hagi kendai liki family home but at liki youth home. Nalog basuma ki kena ke SOS klapenyar show ejing shakri daga pendrong yaka supervised independent living ke bayarap ikin rupusarngut ki samlalut.
A dream to build a permanent loving home for children who had lost parental care. The journey started from a modest rented accommodation. Resources were limited, but the spirit was limitless. It was the support of government of Meghalaya and the people of Meghalaya, the love of countless well-wishers that made this dream a reality. SOS Children's Village Shillong has become a home to over 350 children and young people. This could be possible because of the love, care and protection extended by our SOS mothers. Our mothers, they play a very pivotal role for the holistic development of their children. It is their unconditional love, unwavering tireless efforts that has made our work possible. I congratulate all our SOS mothers for their work and we congratulate you for your support and hard work. And it is a matter of pride that many of our children have made our work possible. They have been very successfully graduated from SOS Children's Village Shillong and they are leading a very independent and self-reliant life.
There are moments in life where everything seems lost, when the world feels too heavy and the future seems like a distant dream. I've lived those moments. I've faced the darkness of abandon, the pain of loss and the silence of loneliness. But then something remarkable happened. In the last months of the year 1999, I was brought to SOS family. For me, it was more than a shelter. It is my home, a place where I was seen, heard, and most importantly, loved. My mother, which I lovingly call me, did not just feed or clothe me. She believed in me. She gave me a second chance at life. And that is something I will never truly repay.
Many of us lack homes. A lot of people have houses, but not homes. And it is our duty to reach out, make a difference. And I'd like to pay tribute to all the founders who have struggled to ensure that we do indeed become difference makers in the lives of others. As I said yesterday, addressing the students who are differently able, what is this ability? I said most of us think of those who are physically challenged as being disabled. But what about us? Most of us have perfect eyesight, no vision. Most of us have perfect ears. We do not listen. Most of us have perfect feet. We do not move forward. Most of us have perfect hands. We do not heal. We do not touch lives. As SOS, as a family, are a difference maker. The difference being that you did more than just ideating. You did more than build dreams in the air, but you put foundations on those dreams, which is why today we have been able to travel this journey. I'm particularly thankful to the mothers who are here. One of them has just narrated a soul-stirring story of how she took care of 25 children. There is a saying, who is a mother? A mother is someone who carries you for 7 to 9 months in her womb, carries you in her arms till you are 15, till you are 16, and carries you in her heart for the rest of your life. That's a mother. And I'm proud as Meghala's Minister in charge of Tourism, Arts and Culture and Textiles and Social Welfare. I'm proud to say this, that in the last 25 years, many years, 50 plus years of our existence as a state, we have made spectacular achievements in diverse fields. As we spoke, I just narrated to Mrs. Sudha that our locally weaved shawl, Rindia, has just got the GI tag.